I know you might think you need a huge budget, industry connections, or years of experience to start a wedding planning business, but the truth is, with the right tools and strategy, you can launch your own wedding planning business and start booking clients. No big budget or insider connections required. And you can launch your own wedding planning business for free thanks to AI-powered tools. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start a wedding planning business. You'll learn how to position yourself as a wedding planner, even with no experience, and the best AI tools to streamline your business and attract clients, and how to set up your wedding planning website and start booking your first events. Let's get into it. So step one is to choose your wedding planning niche. So before launching your business, it's so important to decide what type of wedding planning services you want to offer. Wedding planning is a broad industry, and niching down helps you stand out and attract the right clients. Here are some profitable wedding planning niches to consider. Full service wedding planning, managing everything from venue selection to vendor coordination, or there's day of coordination, so assisting couples on their wedding day to ensure everything runs smoothly. Or there's elopement and micro wedding planning, which is more like organizing intimate weddings for couples on a budget. There's also destination wedding planning, helping couples plan weddings in unique locations. DIY wedding consulting, so offering guidance for couples who want to plan their own wedding but need expert advice. Choosing a niche makes marketing so much easier because you'll attract clients who are specifically looking for the service you specialize in. Once you decide on your niche, it's time to set up your online business. So step number 2 is to set up your website. Now that you have a clear vision for your wedding planning business, we need to set up your website. And this is because first impressions matter. Your website is often the first thing potential clients see, and it's where they'll decide if you're the right fit for their big day. A well-designed site makes you look professional, builds trust, and makes it so much easier for couples to learn about your services and book with you. And the good news is you don't need to spend weeks designing a website or hiring a web developer. Storebuild.ai takes care of it for you. This AI-powered tool creates a beautiful, fully functioning wedding planning website in minutes, so you can focus on building your business instead of struggling with tech. Here's what it includes: a stunning homepage that showcases your services and expertise, preloaded services pages that outlines your wedding planning package, a built-in booking system so potential clients can easily schedule consultations, an AI-generated blog section with wedding tips to attract more visitors. And since Storebuild.ai integrates with Shopify, you can also get secure payment processing, automated invoices, and marketing tools, making it super easy to sell things like digital wedding guides or even just consultation calls or full service packages. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can get started and set up your site. So what you want to do is click our link in the description. I left it there for you, and you'll be able to build your store for free. So once you click that link, you can click build my free store, and then we will type in your name, your email address, and a phone number, and then click create free account. Okay, so next we want to go ahead and select the type of items we will be selling. So choose one that best fits your needs. Now we will go ahead and pick a banner color. We'll go ahead and go for this red. Next, you will go ahead and pick a banner style. Let's go ahead. So many different options. Go ahead and click that one, and then we will go ahead and click next. Since Storebuild connects directly with Shopify, we need to create a Shopify account. They make it super easy by leaving that link right there. Now we will enter in our email address and click start free trial. So the Shopify free trial is 3 days, and go ahead and create our Shopify account. So they do have some questions here, but since we're setting up our website, we'll skip that for now. So now that we are here, what we need to do to connect it is copy this URL right here, and we'll go ahead and click I have activated it. We will add that link right there, click save, and click next. So now this is for Zendrop. If we want to sell products and load our store up, we're going to need to activate this. So what we will do is click activate Zendrop. We'll click install one more time, continue to onboarding. All you have to do is go ahead and click next, go live, and you are good to go, and your website will be up and running. It is so easy and so simple. Step number 3 is to use AI to automate your wedding planning business. So once your website is up and running, the next step is making your business run smoother and faster. And AI tools are so helpful for that. So instead of juggling emails, contracts, and planning details all on your own, you can use AI to save time, stay organized, and give your clients an amazing experience. Here are some of the best AI-powered tools for wedding planners. First off, ChatGPT for client communication. So writing emails, proposals, and contracts can take hours, but with ChatGPT, you can draft them in seconds and tweak them as you need. Next is Canva for wedding mood boards, so you can help clients visualize their dream wedding with beautiful AI-generated inspiration boards. So if you want to check out Canva, we do have an exclusive link in the description below. Next is Notion for project management. So you can keep track of vendors, timelines, and client requests all in one place so nothing slips through the cracks. Next is Kittl for wedding design mockups. So if you want to show couples a preview of their wedding theme before locking in the details, these AI tools generate stunning design concepts in minutes. Using AI doesn't mean losing the personal touch. It just means spending less time on busy work and more time bringing a dream wedding to life. If you want to check out any of those that I just mentioned, I've also left those links in the description below. Step number 4 is to market your wedding planning business for free. Now that your business is set up, it's time to start attracting clients. You don't need to spend thousands on ads. There are plenty of free ways to market your services and attract brides-to-be. The best free marketing strategies for your wedding planning business are TikTok and Instagram Reels. Share behind the scenes wedding setups, planning tips, and testimonials from happy clients. There's also Pinterest marketing. Creating wedding inspiration pins that link back to your website is so powerful. Next is Facebook groups and Reddit communities. You can engage in wedding planning groups and offer helpful advice without being spammy. There's also SEO blogging, using AI to write wedding planning blog posts that drive organic traffic to your site. You also can collaborate with wedding vendors, partner with photographers, florists, and venues for cross promotion. Since brides spend months researching wedding vendors, creating helpful, engaging content will help you attract clients without running expensive ads. Step number 5 is to start selling your wedding planning services. So with your business set up and your website live, it's time to start getting those clients. The best way to do that is by offering free discovery calls instead of just listing prices. This lets couples share your wedding vision while you explain how you can help without any pressure to book. Focus on listening more than just talking during these calls. Ask about their dream wedding, their biggest challenges, and what they need help with. When couples feel understood, they naturally will want to work with you. And since wedding planning is a premium service, you don't need to take on a ton of clients to make great money. Even 2 to 3 weddings a month can bring in $2 to $5K per event. For extra income, consider even selling digital wedding planning templates or guides or checklists on your Shopify store. This is perfect for brides who need guidance but aren't hiring a full planner. The key to booking clients is building trust and showing up as the expert. Once you do that, referrals and testimonials will help your business grow. Starting a wedding planning business is more accessible than ever, and you don't need a big budget or technical skills to get started. With AI tools like Shopify and Storebuild.ai, setting up your business is simple, and you can start booking clients as soon as possible. If you're thinking about launching your website planning business, again, Storebuild.ai can help you create that professional website without the hassle. I've left all the links in the description so you can check out Storebuild and Shopify and the other of my favorite AI tools below. If you loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop any comments or questions below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.